name is Bond. James Bond.
Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the James Bond 007 PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. The James Bond 007 PowerPoint game is made by Ziegs of the Weigut Forum, and we'll put a link below for you to get your free downloadable PPT copy of the game. The home screen is a selection of secret missions. Students have to say A1, C2, D4 on the grid to be able to choose their question. They answer the question incorrectly, click the bottom left button that's in red. If they answer the question correctly, click the bottom right button that is green. James Bond will then destroy some drones. The amount of drones that he destroys denotes the amount of points the students receive. To return home, click on the bottom right James Bond silhouette. There are also many special events, and we'll have a look at a few of those now. Sometimes a reward screen after a question is this. They have to choose red, blue, or yellow to be able to get points, but sometimes it might explode. Uh-oh. This screen, students have to decipher what is the hidden picture within 5 seconds. The faster they do it, the more points they receive because more seconds they've saved. This one, students have to decipher the sentence that's been jumbled up. The faster they decipher the sentence, the more points they receive. This one, the students have to answer a series of questions in order to be able to open the secret safe. Well, that was our James Bond 007 PPT game walkthrough. If you enjoyed the video, please Well, that was our James Bond 007 PPT game walkthrough. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel. And remember to check out the link below to get your free downloadable PPT copy of the game. Bye bye.